Hello folks, very short and practical video. I finally finished with my new model of the case for mechanical keyboard, and today I want to show you how to use it and how it looks like. So guys, check this out. We have two options. One is 60% and one is 68%, right? The idea is super simple. Regardless of the standoffs inside the case, you can use this or this case, for example, MET60 or Gatron GT60 Pro, or you can use this one for Win68 or Ace68 mechanical keyboards. But let me show you closer how it works. In each case, from left and right, we have a panel, and this panel secured with 4 bolts. So you have these simple panels, and I can print any kind of panels with any picture or any model or any object. For example, I like Helldivers too, so I've printed for my gaming keyboard the Spread Democracy and this logo of Helldiver, and in the same way I can do for any other games, for Valorant or any other styles what you may imagine. So basically how it works: you have your keyboard. For example, you have 68% mechanical keyboard, right? You have PCB sandwich. This is PCB sandwich. You need just to unscrew several screws from top, right? Of course, you need to remove a keycaps, then you need to unscrew several screws from the top side, and that's all. You need to have this piece of the keyboard in your hand, and then you can easily or slide in like this, right? Or you can just insert like this. For example, you asked me if this case compatible, for example, with this Adjust AK680 Max, right? And it's not, because this is absolutely totally different structure of the keyboard. You can see we have these gaskets on the left and on the right side, and we have additional connectors to USB, and USB port is on this edge on the bottom side, right, under PCB sandwich. So PCB sandwich is a separate part and USB port is a separate part. So in this case, my case will not work. But if you have any standard, for example, like right now we have hundreds of Hall effect magnetic mechanical keyboards with a 60 or 68% layout with a structure of metal switch plate or FR4 or polycarbonate, doesn't matter. It should be a switch plate, then some foam inside, and then PCB with a USB port on the left side, and that's all. If you have this kind of keyboard with this structure, you can just, for example, this is your keyboard. You need just to eject this internal part. This is PCB sandwich, right? PCB, foam, switch plate, switch, keycaps. That's all. This is 5 elements of any PCB sandwich. And then you can just insert this keyboard into my case. Absolutely the same. Let me show you with the 60%, right? Let me disassemble my 60% mechanical keyboard. Here you go. This is a 60% and absolutely the same. But in this case, we have FR4 plate. So I'm just showing that it's not the same. It's not metal, it's FR4, and it also pretty well work. And we have some piece of foam inside. So we have a space for the foam, right? Also, you can check this out. I have a USB port on the left side, and it's made and specifically made for the different options, because we can have this USB port a little bit to the left or to the right. So that's why I have this piece of plastic, this small insert, so you can close the empty space from the left or from the right side according to position of your USB port for your keyboard. So it's a pretty versatile approach. I print these two cases from translucent PET-G, right? And I will show you in a second how it looks in dark environment in RGB, and also I will do a quick sound test for you. But in general, I can print these cases from anything what is available as filament for 3D printing. I can print them in one piece with Micreality K2 Plus. If you want to print them with a smaller printer, you need to divide in half and print as a two separate parts. Now, how to get, where to get? So, two options. You can order it from me and I will send you ready to use, printed, tested with panels and with screws, right? From Etsy or eBay. This is the first option. One is 68, one is 60%. And second option, you can download these models from, links will be under this video in the description, from the 3D modeling sites and print it by yourself, right? Now, if you don't know if your keyboard is compatible or not compatible with this type of the case, I created Discord server for my channel, so you can check the link in the description again under this video, and you can join my Discord server and ask this question, and I will help you understand if your keyboard is suitable for this type of the case. Also, you can ask me to create any types of panels for your needs with your theme, right? Okay, I hope this was useful and I hope you will enjoy my cases, and see you soon. Bye bye.